Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. I've been asked a question by Jason of Wigan. He's about to buy an SDS drill, but he wants to know, can you change the chuck on it from being an SDS chuck to being a normal chuck? Well, Jason, with our SDS drill, not only can you do that, you actually get the spare chuck in the box. Let me show you. You get the chuck, the key and the connector. So to change the chuck from being an SDS chuck to being a 13mm key chuck, you get the key chuck, you get the chuck key and you get the connector. Now the first thing we do is remove the screw from the connector. Now this is a reverse thread. We screw it into the chuck, and then with the screw we place it down the barrel. It will fall into its hole, and then we tighten with a screwdriver. Remember, it's a reverse thread, so you'll have to turn anti-clockwise. Is to place into the SDS drill connector. You'll push in, pull forward, and it's connected. Once it's attached, you can insert a normal drill bit and tighten up with the chuck key, and it's ready to use. To turn back into an SDS drill, just pull back the collar and remove. It's now back to being an SDS drill. Also, Jason, don't forget our hammer drill also comes with a hammer only function, so you can use it as a demolition tool. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.